Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase open house traffic with eXp Realty. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by defining your target audience. Identify demographics that are most likely to attend open houses. Create engaging promotional materials that highlight your upcoming open houses. Use eye-catching graphics and clear information to draw attention. Post these materials on social media platforms where your audience is active. Consider using paid promotions to reach a wider audience. Leverage your eXp Realty network to spread the word. Share your open house details with fellow agents who can help promote. Schedule open houses during peak times when potential buyers are available. Email your client database about the upcoming open houses. Utilize local community groups and bulletin boards for additional exposure. Create virtual tours or live streams for those unable to attend in person. Offer incentives for attending, such as refreshments or giveaways. Encourage attendees to bring friends or family members. Capture visitor information at the open house for follow-up marketing. Display compelling property features to keep visitors engaged. Create a welcoming atmosphere to make attendees feel at home. Follow up with leads promptly after the open house. Provide them with additional resources and information about the property. Continuously analyze what works and what doesn't for future open houses. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.